Alright, so I was looking back over some of my videos, and I don't know if it was the medication or what, but I wasn't completely clear on a couple of different points, so I just wanted to reiterate and clarify what this system really is. And if you're looking for a way to break free from gig work, I've got the best AI side hustle for 2025, and I think it'll be for a lot longer than that. So stick with me. I'll try to get it all in. Let me see if I can adjust my camera a little bit. All right, there we go. I think it's a little better. Got my cool shades on, heading out to Oxford. Gonna go see the doc about my arm. It's not looking so good, so a little nervous. But so, you know, I've done gig work for quite a while, and I've said that before. So I'm not hating on gig work. You know, gig work is, for the most part, has helped take care of me, but not as well as I would have liked, not as well as I would have envisioned it, and definitely isn't a sustainable and scalable model. It's not really a career choice unless you really don't have any aspirations. And I hope that isn't you. I hope you're not just settling and figuring that this is as good as life gets, because life could be a lot better. And it's going to take some effort to get there. But I mean, if you really want to go the lazy way, I have found what is probably the laziest way you could go, where 90% of all the heavy lifting and the lead generation and the follow-ups and everything I'm astounded that I found a system that I could tap into, and all I have to do is become a member, basically. I mean, I've mentioned it before. It's kind of like, it would be like as if I joined Costco as a member, and then instead of having to even go into the store, somebody went and did the shopping for me and delivered it to me. Oh, that sounds like Instacart. No. I mean, actually, it wouldn't cost me any more than my membership. So, really, I mean, this is how it is. So what is it, you might ask? All right, well, you already know what gig work is, and you know it isn't going to be something that you can really hang your hat on it long term, and you can't rely on it, and you can't control it. And you know, most systems are like that. They're not fully within our control unless we build it ourselves. But that's why people buy franchises, you know, because it's a done for you system. It's reliable, and it's already been, you know, it's already been tested, and you can predict, it's predictable how much money you're going to make, and, you know, based on certain parameters. I mean, they got it down to a science. Well, this here is a new company, but I fully believe that the system they've designed is going to work as they have intended it to work. And they are so confident that they have built into the system an assurance guarantee, because they're not trying to take advantage of people. So they say, look, if you pay your membership for 3 months and you're not in profit mode, well, we're going to waive your membership, but we're going to keep feeding you leads until those leads convert and become members and you get into profit mode. I'm telling you, man, there's no other game in town that's going to promise you in that regard. You know, you're going to get into profit mode. So that in itself speaks volumes to me. And it should for you too, if you're looking to take as little a risk as possible. And these days, you know, there's a need for finding the type of place where you could, you know, invest your money and see a return on it, and try to get to a place where you have you create a passive residual income. Now, there's certain things that you could do otherwise. I mean, You could write some books. I mean, you could even use ChatGPT to write some books, short stories and stuff like that. And you could self-publish. That's a lot of work. There's a lot of work. I've done some of that. You know, you gotta create the covers. You gotta upload. You gotta create descriptions, and you know, you gotta. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of work, and there's a lot of software that you gotta buy too. For editing and for creating the book, and well, that's just one thing. But you know, you could do email marketing. But then again, you know, that's more work on your part. And you could do standard affiliate marketing, because this is like high ticket affiliate marketing, but it's not like the regular way. You know, I mean, you could do what I'm doing, which is start a YouTube channel and start promoting it, but you don't have to. All you got to do is become a member. And when you're a member, you're going to be getting leads. And those leads are going to be followed up by AI, Sparky AI, who's going to interact with them with text, emails, and ringless voicemail, and doing everything he can do to convert them into members. And when they become members, as they've been placed under you as a lead, then you start earning a passive residual income from the membership. 25% commission on every membership. I mean, and that's pretty much done on autopilot. Now, I'm trying to supercharge it. I got ad packs. I've invested. I mean, I'm trying to set the bar. So I've invested into a gold ad pack, and I'll show you later what that is. But and I'll talk more about that, because that will really supercharge your lead generation and your team building. I'm just really excited. I'm excited about what's going to happen, and I hope you get excited about it too, because this could be a game changer for anybody that's looking to escape gig work altogether. You know, I mean, seriously. If you want to know more about it, click on the link below, and it's quitgigwork.com. I like that, don't you? Quitgigwork.com. Because that's what I want to do. I want to quit gig work. If you want to quit gig work, leave me a comment below. Tell me why. Why do you want to quit? And what would you like to do instead? What would you be doing with your time if you didn't have gig work to do? And you had money coming in, just like on autopilot. You know? What would that be like? How would that feel? Is that something you're even interested in? Maybe you don't. Maybe you just want to keep trading your time for money. I don't know. I know I don't. So anyway, click on the link below. It takes you to the landing page I didn't have to build, and I didn't have to buy to have it built. And it's all done for you. It's like business in a box. All you got to do is join. Join as a member, and everything's going to be done for you. Seriously. I mean, it can't get any easier. All right. I'll catch you on the next video.